Good day, traders. It's a Forex mentor, Romeo. So welcome to Zoom session number 10 or 11. I'm not sure. Between the two. So first of all, guys, I just want to apologize for not doing the sessions more frequently. Clearly because I've been busy sorting out some other businesses of my own. I haven't been focusing a lot on trading these days. Maybe for a week. I haven't been analyzing, I haven't been placing trades, I haven't been checking my stats and all of that within the Forex industry. I've been focusing more on my other businesses as well and just putting my attention towards it because I haven't been. So guys, it's really hard juggling a lot of stuff in as one person. So that's why I'm trying to really take a break from everything and just focus on my mindset and everything. Yeah. So otherwise, I'm back at it again. I just woke up and woke. I'm really, really tired. Yeah, but I decided to do this session right now. So basically, Lamklanje, first of all, I just want to give a shout out to you guys for the amazing work you're doing, because I do see your results. They're really, really crazy. For beginner traders, I didn't expect that because I remember in March 2020, around March 2022, when I had my first intake here, those students that I had back then, they weren't even accumulating these amount of profits that you guys are accumulating right now, which is kind of really, really huge. It's really it really shows how you guys are determined, how you guys are looking at the sessions that I do, how you guys are taking note of the knowledge and keep on like chasing knowledge, education. Yeah, it really proves you guys are really pushing hard. So I just want to give a shout out to Nina guys because it really makes me proud as a mentor. Just keep on pushing, just keep on being consistent, and with the right mindset, you guys will be reaching your first millions, you'll be reaching your first 100,000 10Ks, bands, bands and bands and bands. So shout outs, guys. Let's chop the markets. So today we're gonna be talking about trading plan. We're gonna be talking about trading journal. We're gonna a trading plan and a trading journal is basically the same thing. And then we're gonna be talking about back testing, trading routine, your mindset, your weaknesses, your goals that you should have, and yeah, basically. So guys, let's get into it same time, Joe. Uh, let's get into it. So let me start by cutting the camera so we focus on the main idea here. So, trading plan, guys. What is a trading plan? You guys have learned so much so far. And go, one thing I haven't discussed is a trading plan, guys. What is a trading plan? A trading plan is basically a plan, like any other business, guys. You should have a plan on how you're gonna manage. You should have a plan on how much you're willing to risk, how much you're willing to make. What you should do when you're not doing good, what should you do when you're doing good, and etc. So basically a trading plan, guys, sets out your stop losses, your risk take, how much your risk to reward, how much you willing to lose, how much you're willing to make, your money management rules. Zonke ezo zinto, guys, a trading plan consists of that. But I want to talk about the most important things that a trading plan should consist of, guys. So a trading plan, first of all, keeps you in the right direction. So consistency is very important to have in your trading routine because it allows you to measure how successful you are as a trader. Because guys, remember, for you to determine whether you are successful or not, it should be all grounded up with the fact that you are consistent, guys. So having a lot of consistency does show that you are a successful trader because whether or not you are making money or you are making money, as long as we're not consistent, guys, that gives you the guarantee by you are a successful trader, guys. If you have a sound trading system but always break your rules, how can you ever really know how good your system really is, guys? Like, just imagine you have a good 100% strategy, But you always break your rules. How can that be good, you know? So that's where a trading plan comes in. So a trading plan, guys, it gives you a set of rules that you have to imply or propose or impose. I'm not sure if I'm using the correct words, but yeah. So basically, a trading plan just gives you a foundation of how of the rules that you should use um in correlation with the trading strategy, you know, basically, you know. So your trading plan will keep you on target, you know. You have to read it each and every day, guys, and make sure to stick to it. Make sure you read your trading plan and stick to it, guys. So trading is a business, and we know that successful businesses always have plans, guys. Remember, a successful business always have a plan. Like these businesses that the other businesses that are around, guys, make sure that plan accordingly. So a trading business, yeah, is not like the other businesses that I have, because these are different sectors, guys. This is a financial sector. A financial sector is not like a property sector. It's not like a drop shitting sector. It's not like whatsoever. We all have a different sector must have a different plan to it, you know. Um, yeah, that's a basic to it, you know. So first of all, I've never seen a successful business that doesn't have a successful as a clear plan, you know, and how they're gonna operate, you know. So um in the same way, guys, you have to make sure that you have some sense of a plan that you can follow in order to keep your consistency, to make sure you keep on milking, to make sure you keep the profits coming, you know. So that's the basics to it, guys. And then I want to talk about a trading system. A trading system is basically a strategy, guys. So make sure I've said this so many times, when you are backtesting, guys, backtesting is basically going to past prices and make sure you analyze what's happened in the past and be able to predict and make a decision whether it's gonna happen in the future or in the present, guys, in the present. So back testing, guys, should be done on a demo, you know. If back testing on a real account, because the back testing is just practice. Back testing is testing. It's given. There it is. It's given. So let me just show you guys an idea of what back testing is. Let me go to my trading view. Let me go to my trading view so you guys can see about, okay, the reason why I take my trades is because of what happens in the past. Because if you see a descending channel and it breaks out and retests, obviously when you see it again in the future, you're going to see about, okay, it's going to break out and retest because the market repeats itself, guys. Whatever happens in the market, it's going to repeat itself. But it's not going to repeat itself exactly, but it will repeat itself in some way, you know. Let me try and show you guys this in the most clear perspective. So let's just look here. Let's just look um let's just try and find something we can use. So let's say, guys, we have this ascending channel. You know, this happened in the past. This all happened. Sorry about that. This happened in the past. So we can see about, okay, the market was trending down, and then we got a retracement, and then we got this, you know. So this shows about, okay, the market was currently descending while ascending, guys. So there was a mixed signal here. We were getting, in a longer time frame, in the larger time frame, we got the signal about, okay, the market is descending, which means we're looking forward for a breakout and retest to the upside. And then go this right here, guys, this circle right here emphasizes that we are gonna be silent because we are looking to reverse our ascending to turning to a descending, and that happened. So guys, we can see by whatever happens right here. Let me change the color to blue. So we can see about, okay, whatever happens here is gonna happen again, because we can see about, okay, sure. Now it's the blue line, the blue trend line, we can see by it's happening again. So breakout and retest in the smaller time frame, obviously, retest, and then we hit our 90% rule, and then breakout, retest, the market went down, it hit our 90% rule. So what I mean by backtesting is this, guys. Backtesting is basically price repeating itself each and every time, guys. Price is a repeater, but is a repeater in different ways. As we can see by upper, guys, in what I just shown you, the price, the distance of the ascending channel is not as bigger as this distance of the ascending channel. This one is a bit longer than this one, so that's why in the city the market would repeat itself, but like it would repeat itself in different ways. So let's go back to our whiteboard so I can explain the other. Guys, this is all easy. It's basically just common knowledge. It applies, guys. So your trading routine, guys, trading routine yako, that is how much you're gonna trade in a week, in a daily basis. How when are you gonna analyze? Are you gonna analyze in the morning? Are you gonna analyze at night? I do not recommend analyzing at night because the spreads are kind of the market is not volatile. The markets are not open at night because remember the main sessions that we focus on are the New York sessions and the Asian sessions, and go at night during South African time. That doesn't it's not highly recommended. And another thing that I told you guys, 11 o'clock we can see by spreads ziyanyuka, we can see by okay spread besingaka 11 o'clock 60 spreads bengaka, which means i-profits zakho or i-stop loss zakho, i-take profits or i-stop losses zakho zizohitwa before time, and go that is not an advantage to your trading, guys. So the trading routine, yeah, it outlines how many times you're gonna trade, how many times, when are you gonna analyze, whether you're gonna analyze in the morning or you're gonna analyze at night and whatsoever. That's your trading routine. It gives itself like, yes, guys, simple. And then we go to mindset. Mindset, guys. We first session of this trading mentorship, we talked about mindset. You should have a mindset of wanting to learn more than wanting to make money, because once ufake laa nto engqondweni uba okay, I want to make money, you're gonna end up being greedy, because a trading plan, guys, remember, a trading plan gives you a plan yoba okay, if I decide but I want to make $10 namhlanje, and ke ngoku wena uske uyenze $10 wena namhlanje, but then ke ngoku $20, that means you're going out of your trading plan and you're not following the right mindset, guys. As you can see, the mindset falls in line with your trading plan. So in mindset, correct, guys, you should have a mindset about, okay, you should have a mindset of about, okay, I have a $500 million account, right? I'm planning to make 10,000 each and every day. If I make 10,000, I'm not going to trade today. If I make 10,000, I'm not gonna trade. But if I make 11,000 or I make 15,000, then the next day I'm not gonna aim for 10,000, but instead I'm gonna aim for the amount is shorter. So if you aim at 10,000 or 15,000, then the following day you are aiming to make 5,000. That's what we call sticking to the plan, guys. That's what we call sticking to your trading system and sticking to the right mindset of trading, guys. Remember, because most of the traders are greedy, umuntu uzoyenza imali ethile abe greedy, anyuse i-lot size. Remember, guys, lot size. I mention this all the time. Lot size, guys. The main thing that I emphasize in lot size and your leverage. Keep your leverage to 1:500, because 1:1000 is not good for you. It's gonna wreck your account. Once it breaks your account, you're gonna blame the strategy by you're gonna blame the mentor, you're gonna put blame. But you were greedy to increase your lot size, you were greedy to increase your leverage, which is good. It's like a hindrance to your trading career. So that's why advise you guys to keep your lot sizes at a minimum and go gradually grow your account. You have to gradually grow your account because the aim up is not to go big at once, but it's to gradually grow step by step. We are growing as easy. We are growing a system here too. We are finding out more about the market. We are learning about we are understanding the market, how it moves and all of that. We are not just making money out of the market, it takes years, but guys, you have to gradually grow, and then we go to number six. Number six is your weaknesses, guys. So what is your weakness? So each and every one of us have different weaknesses, so I want to explain my weaknesses. My weaknesses are that once I so now I have a specific I have my trading plan says, but okay, Romeo, you are gonna each and every day you're aiming for 7,000, 7,000 to 8,000, sure. But then once I make low 8,000, let's say before imini pele, like around let's say 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, umnanzoba greedy, and I wanna make 10,000 by the end of the day, due to having to maintain my lifestyle and wanting to maintain my daily activities and all of that. So guys, that's why in the city bar, each and every person has their own weaknesses. My weakness is being greedy, Sometimes I'm greedy, sometimes I lack consistency, Like I told you guys, I had to focus on my other businesses and I haven't been trading for a week. So that's a weakness because as a trader, I should be able to be consistent no matter what I have to do outside of my trading career, I should be able to sacrifice my time. But I realized, well, okay, I've been doing it. I've been actually sacrificing my time for all these amount of years. For 3 years, I've been sacrificing my time and I'm not really at blame because I have done that already, So right now it's more of like a retirement, but like it's not a retirement. I should focus on trading, but nowadays I'm not focusing on trading because I can decide about, okay, I want to make this amount of money and then I'll make it, then I'm out of the markets, Simple as that. So guys, you have to define your own weaknesses. My own weakness is being greedy. By it's fine. I know how to manage it. I still make the amounts of money that I make and good. That's it. And then you have to have your goals. So what is your goal? What is your main goal in this trading journey? So we all have different goals. So your goal should be anything other than money, guys. Because once, like I said, in mindset, Nick goals are one thing, So if your goals are it's all about making money, then obviously it's not going to go well because when you're going to focus on the money rather than learning how to grow your level of knowledge and your level of skill, guys, So your goal should be something more genuine, something more realistic, something more fruitful, something that's going to help you in the long run, And then we have our trading journal. The trading journal is basically a trading plan. So a trading journal is basically a book that you have where you write about, okay, my risks to reward in each and every trade is 1:2. If I make 10,000, I'm not going to go over that. I'm going to trade 2 times a week. Don't. It's basically a rules that you set for yourself. I'm only risking $5 per trade. I'm only making $10 per trade. I'm only gonna take 10 trades out of the 15 trades. Tomorrow I'm gonna take the other 5 trades. Don't. So guys, a trading journal is where you write zonke zazinto as a rules. And a trading journal is not just rules only. A trading journal is you should document, guys. You should be able to document whatever you do. So if you see you have lost namhlanje, you should be able to write down, okay, what is the possible reason why you lost? So once you get that idea about, okay, I lost imali just because of this. Next time you're gonna have the mentality, okay, now I want to improve, I want to better myself. So I'm not gonna do what I did in the past. So let's say for instance, Google Analyzer. Go analyze. Let me just get my pen tool. So the market is currently trending up, and go and analyze our what is so i-trend line zakho zabreacha, breaching, so i-trend line zakho zabreacha, yabo, that's zabreacha i-price. So once we document about, okay, the reason why I lost this trade is because I was breaching the trend line, is because my entry was too early. I decided to take a risky entry than a recommended entry, because remember, guys, entry, there are different types of entries, and I did discuss that in the past few sessions. In the session where I gave you guys a strategy, I did mention that. So basically that is it. So you find where all your problems are, you find what all your problems are, and then you find a way to make sure you improve so that you don't repeat your past mistakes, guys. So basically that's it for today's session. I hope you guys, I hope this was very fruitful, I hope you guys, it's gonna give you a perspective, and another thing I would like to mention, don't be hopping hopping over a strategy to another strategy to a strategy, because now you won't be able to filter the rules. Remember, strategies have different rules, and as a strategy, some NFA strategy, see senior rules as a specific as a specific, but okay, we're aiming for the 90%. We only wait for the breakout and retest, and no. Different strategies have different rules. So make sure your trading plan is in line with its strategy. Just use it, guys, so that you have the smoothest journey in your career. So other than that, guys, I don't know when I'm gonna get back to trading. Maybe Monday. Monday, yeah, I'll get back to trading because I have to give off some signals to you guys. So another thing, guys, make sure to create um your make sure to register. Yeah, make sure to register with in the link that I'm gonna put down below. Make sure to register so account yakho ibe broker, so account yakho ibe verified, so that whenever you decide about ufuna ukufaka imali and start trading a real account, account yakho ibe ready, yabona. So make sure you guys get that done ASAP. I'm gonna put out the link, and yeah, let's get to it, guys. I'm really tired. I think I'm gonna go back to sleep because Joe, I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. But anyway, guys, shout outs.